Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Diecast Chronicles. In today's video, I'm going to unbox this Gravity Lamborghini Huracan GT. I mainly bought it for the blue color and the white wheels. It matches so well. And now, without wasting time, let me open it up. So I'll just need a cutter. So I'll just be opening it up, and then we are going to do the unboxing. So do let me know in comments, what do you feel? Do you want to keep it carded, uncarded, or like most of them, I'm sorry, this is boxed, or do you want to keep it like you do want to open it like me? So this was it, guys. So let's open this up. Luckily I could actually find it, and I thought I would actually miss it, and there's that final cut that I'll do here, and then we will be able to get the hands on our MiniGT. So I'll be a little careful over here. Okay, so here is the opening, and let me know in the comments, guys. So if you bought this, or are you saving up your money for something else? So now it is the final time, and now everything will be revealed, like if it is worth the hype and everything. Guys, I didn't get it for the hype, I got it for the blue color. So now it is out of the box, and look at this, that is such a beauty. And now let me get this in my hands. I have to be a little careful because the spoiler and everything that comes from MiniGT, it is very delicate. And guys, this is not a toy, this is a collectible, and it's finally in my hands. So look at this beautiful car here. So I love the color, so that is the reason I bought it. It is not because I went with the hype or anything. So it is it, guys. So look at the Gravity livery there, and this is from Liberty Walk. Look at that. There's that exhaust detail, and there's that tail light detailing, and then there's that Liberty Walk written on the spoiler. And this is a beauty, guys. So this is a display beauty, and look at this. And guys, if you're wondering what the Gravity is, it is a car show based out of UK, and you can even see the UK flag there. Overall, I would rate this MiniGT a 10 on 10, and I'm actually happy that I bought this. And there's that Liberty Walk logo on the top, and then there is that driver's name on the back. So do let me know in comments if I missed something, if I missed few other detailing and everything. Overall, I like the interiors too, and it is such a beautiful casting, guys. So what do you guys feel? And I'm actually happy I got this in a very good condition too. So do let me know in comments, what do you think about this car, if you missed this, or are you getting it on pre-orders. So now let's roll it, and let's see how well it rolls. I'm not actually very happy how it's rolling, but it is a MiniGT, and this is just for the display purposes. So I would just display it and not play with it. So this was it, guys. This was the short video. So do let me know in comments, how do you actually like this Lamborghini, and do you actually think it was worth it? So do let me know in comments, like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys in my next video.